I'll show you how you can multiply in Excel. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing. Once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. Multiplying in Excel is a fantastic feature, and I'm going to show you how you can go and utilize it. So what you can do is multiply numbers or cells, but it's pretty much the same process. So in this case, I've got some cells here which I want to go and multiply together. So what you need to do is first you go and click on the cell where you want the answer to be. So in this case, it's C2. And then what we need to do is start by writing in the formula. So start by tapping on the equal symbol, just like this. And then once you've done that, this is signaling we're going to be entering a formula. And then what you need to do is go and type in. And then what you need to do is go and type in or select the cell you want to go and start with. So in this case, it's A2. So I'm going to click on it like this. And then as you can see, it's automatically selected it and also gone and put it in this cell here. And then what we need to do is go and enter in the multiply symbol, and that has the asterisk or the star icon. So I'm going to hold on shift and then go and press on 8 on my keyboard in my case, but it may be different for yours. And then once you've done that, you now need to go and type in the other cell, or you can just go and select it. In this case, I want B2, so I'll click there like this. Then what you can do is go and tap on enter like that, and there we go. It's now gone and calculated it. You can then go and repeat that formula for the next row, or alternatively go and click on the cell and then go to the bottom right and there's a small square. Hover over it and you get this small cross, and then what you can do is hold the left mouse button and drag down like so, and then when I go and let go, it then goes and replicates that formula again. So as you can see, just like that, it's now automatically gone and calculated it. It's that simple. And if you want to go and just calculate numbers, then what you can do is wait when you go and put equals in, then just type the number you want to go and multiply. So I could type in a 4, for example, then type in the asterisk or star and type in another number like that, and it will then go and do the calculation. That's quite a simple one, but it's just an example. If you guys found this useful, then please consider leaving a like. Peace.